Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Manju Pawar from BPS Women University, Sonipat, Haryana. Today we are going to talk on the module Role of Community Worker in Community Setting from the paper Human Resource Development through Community Engagement. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand the different role that a community worker plays in the community setting. Number 2, what should be kept in mind while entering in the community? What should be done to develop the community? Now we will introduce the topic. As the community development is a way where the oppressed section of the society are mobilized and they are motivated to participate in the planning and implementation of the projects which are being run for the welfare of their community. Role of the community worker is vital in order to enable the excluded sections of the society to become the part of mainstream and gain self-confidence. They are encouraged to participate in actions to change their situation and to tackle the problems that they face in their community. Community worker has an important role to play in facilitating active participation of the people in addressing the issues which affect them. Community worker stands for the voices and needs of the marginalized section of the society and corresponds the same to the policymakers at the local, national and international levels. Now we will discuss what are the different roles that a community worker has to perform in the community setting. The first role is to understand the community. In order to understand the community, community worker should make rapport with the president and members of the Gram Panchayat. Community worker should be clear in his or her goal when she or he is entering in the village. Community worker should prepare socio-economic profile of the village in which detailed information like caste, population, total families and occupation of the people etc. should be documented in a detailed manner. It is imperative to create awareness about the community engagement activities which the community worker is planning to do in the area. Permission should be sought from the local authorities in the community who might be willing to help the worker in long run. After informing the authorities, community worker get permission and approval to do the desired work. Community worker should meet president and member of the Gram Panchayat and discuss the activities which must be done in the village for its development. He or she should not make false promises in the community and limit their role as facilitator in the community. Community worker should make rigorous efforts to create awareness on social issues on which community people agrees to. Nukkad Natak, that is role play, is one of the method which community worker can make use of, which also produce fruitful results in awareness generation. Public meetings may also be organized where all the people, particularly women, can come at one platform and discuss their issues concerning to them. Gram Sabha is the ideal example of this kind. By using posters and pamphlets, community worker can communicate his or her message effectively. Community worker should make it a point that he or she should not make community dependent upon him or her. Rather, she or he should make efforts to make the community independent so that community can solve its problem on its own with the guidance of a community worker. The community worker should be unbiased and neutral while entering in the community. He or she comes across many differences on the basis of traditions, group, religion, caste, gender, age, education, physical and mental abilities, occupation, income, wealth, land access and other characteristics that may divide people. But the community worker should make efforts to unite all the people in the village. The community worker should create a feeling of faith in the community. Community-based organizations such as self-help group, youth club and others are good form of social capital which play an important role in the development of the village. While forming such groups, it is important to understand for community worker that he or she should cultivate the we feeling among the members of the community based organizations and guide them that they should develop trust among each other for bringing positive results in any project or activity planned for village development. They should have the cooperation and coordination among themselves. Community worker should invest maximum time when the group is in the infancy stage. Role of facilitator. The community worker should also play the role of facilitator in a community setting. A community worker should not make bogus promises in the community that he or she has come to solve their problems. Rather, the community worker should limit its role to the facilitator only. For instance, at the time of the formation of self-help group, community workers should guide members of self-help group to choose their president, secretary and treasurer on their own, rather than depending on the committee worker to select important stakeholders in the group. In another example, committee worker can assist members of self-help group to write their proceedings and maintaining their accounts so as to enable to start their income generating activities for their economic empowerment. The committee worker has initial accountability of seeking to create an atmosphere in which members feel relaxed. When the new members join the group, they have many questions in their mind like what kind of activities to be done in the group, who will guide them to achieve the goals of the group. Community workers should make efforts to answer which the member has in his or her mind while joining the group. Community worker may use ice-breaking exercises to start introduction among the members of the group. This will help members in reducing anxieties and facilitate open communication among the members of a group. The committee workers should build an atmosphere in which the members trust one another and share their thoughts and ideas freely. Ice-breaking sessions play an important role in establishing such an atmosphere. The beginning of any group is the challenge for community worker. As the member of the group has many expectations from the community worker in terms of rules and regulations, size of the group, expected roles and responsibilities of members and others. Community worker should keep in mind that follow-up must be done in every meeting. If the community worker in association with community people decide the date and time of the meeting, then worker should make it a point to attend the meeting without any excuse. Otherwise, people in the community lose interest in any activity which the community worker will plan for the development of the village or community. Another point to remember that first two meetings should be conducted in public places like Panchayat Ghar, temple, etc. so that people should not assume that community worker visit only few houses in the community. In case if the meetings have to be organized in the house of someone in the community, then next meeting should be convened in that same house rather than the meeting should be changed from one place to another, but the community worker should ensure that meeting must be conducted and all the members must participate in the meeting. This will help in ensuring that every member of the group is involved in the decision making at all levels. Another important role that a community worker has to play is writing agenda of the meeting. The community worker should make it a point to see that group should have enough time to discuss agenda in the meeting. Committee worker should guide the members of the group to prepare agenda items and write minutes of the meeting. Members should be guided that while writing agenda items, it should be kept in mind that agenda should not be too long or too short. It should be kept in mind that all the members should be informed about the items of the agenda to be discussed in the meeting. Members of the group should be given sufficient time to ponder on the issues which will be discussed in the meeting. Now, the next role that a committee worker has to play in a committee setting is the decision making. Now, first let us understand the meaning of decision making. Decision making is the progression of arriving at a decision where more than two individuals are involved. Committee worker should make the committee aware that if they are united, then the committee can be developed. But if the members of the groups are divided based on their self-interest, then they are bound to fail. Now, another role that a committee worker has to play in a committee setting is the maintenance of the documentation. Committee workers should make efforts to make the committee aware about the importance of documentation. Grassroots realities show that there are many innovative activities being taken up by the Gram Panchayat or any other committee based organization in the village, but they are not documented properly. So, the committee workers should make intensive efforts to guide group to maintain and update basic records such as minutes book, attendance register, cash book, passbook and individual passbooks also. Proper keeping of the registers and record is important indicator of any committee based organization. Next role that a committee worker has to play is to build the capacity building of the committee based organizations existing in the community. The capacity building programs should be conducted on a regular basis by committee worker for creating interest among the members of the committee based organizations. The committee worker should keep on organizing capacity building programs such as organizing literacy, skill development and leadership development programs in the village. Another important role that a community worker has to play in a community is the resourcefulness. The community worker should also be resourceful. For instance, it has been seen in the field that rural women after forming self-help group do not know various innovative income generating activities which they should start for their economic empowerment. In this context, committee worker can play a vital role in making the members of self-help group aware about the various alternatives of taking up income generating activities such as Kirana shop, flower selling, candle making, masala making, pickle making, leather goods and many other craft related activities. It is imperative to understand that committee workers should not load one person with so many responsibilities. Rather, delegation of the work should be done among the members of the group. For instance, if any program is to be organized in the community, then tasks and responsibilities should be delegated so as to generate interest among the members of the group. Community workers should ensure that when a task or responsibility is delegated to an individual, then it should be known to everyone, and if the task is not done on time, then the individual should be made answerable to the community. The committee workers should sensitize the community about relevant social issues in the community. He or she may invite experts from outside of the community for their lecture and interaction with the community. Committee workers should conduct meetings with the existing formed groups in the community to discuss social issues like female feticide, dowry, anemia among women and children, etc. in their weekly or monthly meeting so that they can understand the social issues prevailing in the society. Celebration is an important part of mobilization. Community worker should make it a point to celebrate the success of any program or activity being organized in the community. Such kind of celebration is also important for taking a break from the repetitive work. Drumming, dancing, plays or a skit and Other entertainment should be included in every celebration. Community worker, in collaboration with community-based organization, should also celebrate relevant days such as Women Empowerment, Environment Day, International Youth Day, Girl Child Day, etc., so that people of the community not only feel involved but also make community aware about the burning issues rampant in the society. Another important role of the community worker is that she or he should try his or her level best to have good communication between authorities and the community in order to get support and cooperation for better results from the government offices authorities. For example, block development and panchayat officer who has an important role to play in the community engagement and can lead the community to development. If we take the cases of self-help group, block development and panchayat officer is the convener of the block level committee and he or she has to ensure that the lead bank manager and district development manager NABARD should make their presence in the meetings as special invitees. In the meetings of the committee, decisions regarding the selection of key activities, selection of the villages and number of beneficiaries are to be covered in each year in the block and the progress of self-help group are reviewed. If decisions of this committee are fully executed, half of the problems connected with the self-help group can be curtailed. But the field realities indicate that majority of the block development and panchayat officer do not take interest toward the formation of self-help group. They were under wrong notion and even discouraged formation of self-help group by saying that it is not possible to form self-help group in the villages because what to think of formation of self-help group of 10 members, not even 2 members cannot sit together in the village. It is in this context the need of the hour is that the community workers should sensitize about the importance of self-help group to block development and panchayat officer because administrative head of the block can play a very important role in this regard. By giving examples of successful self-help group, he or she should be convinced. Mobilizing resources. Under this head, the community workers should also make efforts to take out self-sufficiency in the village community. For this, dependency on the external resources may be avoided. He or she should motivate the community to use its own resources first rather than depending on others. If outsourced resources help the community, then dependency syndrome develops and there are less chances of sustainability and self-reliance at the local level. Community worker can encourage the members of the community to use internal resources available in the community. Community workers should give ideas to influential people in the community that they should donate cash, land, buildings, equipment for supporting the community. Commercial gifts can also be taken from the firms and businessmen who want to advertise their goodwill and support the community. Another role that a community worker has to play is to exposure of the best practice. Community worker always try to encourage people of the community to do their best. Sometimes people, particularly rural women, are not able to explore their potentials because they are not exposed to the outside world. For instance, in a community, if a woman becomes sarpanch of the village for the first time but she lacks confidence and does not know how to handle panchayat work, it is in this context community worker can take her to the organizations like Institute of Social Sciences, New Delhi for her exposure visit, which will give her confidence by seeing other rural women sarpanch who are doing exceptional work for the development of the village. Another role that a community worker has to play is the continuous monitoring and evaluation. It is very important that a community worker should monitor and evaluate the work which she or he is doing in a community, and she or he should evaluate it on a continuous basis. And the last role that a community worker has to play is the exit protocol. In case community worker has to move his or her place, he or she should try to sustain the efforts of the mobilization. But the ultimate goal of a community worker is to have the community persist in moving on its own. She or he can recognize such people living in the community who have potential to become mobilizer and train them in skills so that they can take care of the community in his or her absence. Now students, we will conclude this module by saying that community presents many opportunities to a community worker to do his or her best for uplifting the community. Involvement of the community worker can have far-reaching impact on the quality of life of the people. Community worker, while working with community-based organizations, have to deal with groups, group dynamics, types of groups, group roles and group culture. Intervention of the community worker has a long way go for uplifting the community as a whole. Thank you.